So welcome. If you are here, you are a cycle breaker, creator, and this subscription, this TikTok subscription, is unlike any other. If you read in the description below, you'll be able to get more details. In the description below, you will see who this TikTok subscription is for, but it will also help you have an understanding of who it is not for. So I highly recommend you really reading the description before subscribing, okay? So in a nutshell, there are quite a few of you who have desired to partner with me, whether it's in my cohort or a one-on-one call, a one-on-one session. But sometimes at certain places in our journey, certain investments are not really a match for what we feel able to invest in at that time. With that being said, this is an opportunity for us to partner together long-term, but with a significantly lower investment. However, you will notice that this particular subscription requires your commitment. It's a co-creation, right? So how it works is once you subscribe, you will receive a private email address, right? And you will be able to send me emails anytime, 5 a.m., 2 a.m., midnight. You will be able to send me emails anytime. And those emails are confidential. However, I will be creating content specific to those questions, that email content, and the topics that you say you really feel would be beneficial for you to receive more support with, right? Whether it's negative thinking, whether it's feeling like you have this absolute inability to experience peace throughout the day, whether it's self-doubt, whether it's just this belief that it's not possible for you to experience more peace in parenthood. But the topics can even be a whole lot more detailed than that. Some of you watching this have probably engaged with me in direct messages or comments, right, where we get a little bit more detailed and I'm able to respond to you, matching that detail with empowerment and methods and processes and how to, when it comes down to experiencing more peace and those more detailed requests that you have, right? So if you're going to sign up for this subscription, do so knowing that you will be taking advantage of the ability to email me 24/7, right? And then the subscription only content is going to be specifically for the parents who have subscribed and who are sending in emails requesting content be created in alignment, in sync with what they're moving through, what they're experiencing, what they actually want more support in, right? So that's where we're headed with my TikTok space. I am focusing primarily on my one-on-one clients who I have, who book one-on-one sessions throughout the months, and also focusing on the people who sign up for the cohorts where I partner with 8 to 12 parents at a time for 8 weeks, right? But then when it comes down to the TikTok space itself, we're really starting to prioritize creating subscriber-only content for the parents who genuinely want like additional support specific to them, right? And who are actually very sincere and genuine in their desire to show up as their favorite version of themselves and parent from their inner peace, right? So welcome. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to creating for you. Once you subscribe, I will get you over the private email address where you will be able to start sending me topics and all of the things. And throughout the weeks ahead, you will start to see that stuff addressed very thoroughly in subscriber only content. No fluff. As you'll see in the description box below, your life is going to shift and change if you subscribe to this and take full advantage of what's being offered here. It will shift and change, but your life is already always shifting and changing as it is. The only difference is you're going to start to notice it shifting and changing more and more in alignment with what you've always wanted. More peace, more laughter, more joy, more connection with yourself and your child, more remembering how powerful and wise you are, more being able to create your life from that wisdom. And having that energy flowing instead of feeling so blocked all the time, right? Less anger, less rage, less spanking, less screaming, okay? And most importantly, more of you recognizing your creatorhood, your ability to create, consciously and intentionally create relationships in your life from your favorite version of yourself, okay? More self-love, okay? More appreciation, more gratitude, more realizing and recognizing the abundance that is already here. So again, if you're interested, before you subscribe, make sure that it's a fit for you. Read the description below, read who this is for, who it's not for, and if after a month's subscription you feel like it's not beneficial or you've gotten enough out of it, then unsubscribe. That's the cool thing about subscriptions. You can unsubscribe anytime and you can resubscribe anytime, right? So sending you tons and tons of love. Let's keep going.